Yo, ladies and gentlemen, I hope we're all doing well. This is the first of many videos yet to come of me essentially rambling and teaching you a little bit about the law using doodles. And without further ado, my name is Jacob Christoffels. If this feels like a Draw My Life video, trust me, it's not. I do not have the artistic proficiency for that. But my name is Jacob Christoffels, and as you've seen by my beautiful handwriting, you're currently here for my personality and not my handwriting. Anyway, my name is Jake Christoffels. I am a student at the university. Can I spell that right? Beautiful. University of Pretoria. And yeah, I'm currently a law student at the University of Pretoria. And don't let that title, deceive you in thinking that I'm a super intellectual guy. I am just someone who likes to draw and someone who likes to teach and someone who likes to make the odd joke here and there. So, without further ado, I hope you enjoy. We are currently looking at insolvency law, and you're currently asking yourself, what the heck is insolvency law? And well, basically, in simple terms, think about in a situation where we have Bob. We will say Bob, and we'll have a guy by the name of Chris, and so that is a C over this dude's head. And Bob has entered into a relationship in which Bob actually owes Chris money. And but for some unfortunate event, I don't know, Bob went to Betway and he bet on Arsenal beating Manchester City, and that didn't go so well for him. And Bob currently doesn't have any money. Bob is Bob's broke at this point in time, and because of that, he's in a place in which his assets are less than his liabilities. And so Bob has no money. Bob's assets are less than his liability, and as a result of that, Bob's not in a ability, or he's not in the position to pay Chris, who is his creditor. And because of this, the law has created rules and procedures in place to regulate this position that we find ourselves. And so that's essentially what insolvency law is. It's a piece of legislation which regulates the relationship between debtors and creditors in situations where, and this is a big thing, where assets are less than liabilities. Link that sink in. Moreover, insolvency law has a second fundamental principle, which is okay, so who does insolvency law favor? Well, in South Africa, we are living in a pro creditor system. I highly doubt that my audience is international, and it's probably mostly South Africans. But if you are international, then that's something interesting for you to know, that South Africa, we're in a pro creditor system. And then what that means is that insolvency law, as a piece of legislation, actually it aims to protect our creditors like a knight in shining armor. The act aims to protect our creditors in securing the money that is owed to them. And so, to finish off this very short video, we have this thing called insolvency law, and insolvency law is based on these two fundamental ideas. It regulates this relationship between a debtor and a creditor, and specifically when a debtor has less assets than he does have liabilities, and so he owes his creditor money. And so in terms like that, insolvency law will kick in, and insolvency law is a pro creditor system. And what the heck does that mean? Well, it just means that insolvency law, and I'm just going to abbreviate that as IS, insolvency law aims to protect creditors like a knight in shining armor. I don't know, that's a shield. Can I do a sword? Yo, boom, 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 boom. There's the blade. Swing. Cool. Like a knight like a knight in shining armor. Insolvency law aims to protect its creditors in times when they are owed money by their debtors. And so yeah, that is a basic overview of essentially what we'll be looking at and the journey that we'll be taking in the next 12 videos. Other than that, hope you all stay safe and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.